Hi, I'm Dorothy Ann, and today it's lesson 8. We're going to talk about pinnacles in your chart, numerology chart, and challenges. Okay, now what is a pinnacle? A pinnacle means opportunities, alright? And I'm going to show you how to find out how to do your pinnacles. It's a little more difficult with the age, and maybe I'll make another lesson separate from that, for that. Okay, so what you're going to do, Judy's going to pin in on the beginning part. I'm going to be using my birthday because that way you can test it with yourself and you'll know what is right and wrong. Now, how you calculate the pinnacles is relatively easy, all right? Just have to pay attention. The first pinnacle, you use your month. Now, if you notice, I'm up here, my month is a 12, so I break it down to a 3. My day is a 4, and my year, I break that down to a 7. So the first pinnacle for the month, it would be a 3, because we figured that out. The day is a 4, and that equals a 7. So my first pinnacle is number 7. My second pinnacle, I add my day, which is a 4, and when I use my year, it was a 7, and that's master number 11. So second pinnacle is master number 11. The third pinnacle number is you add your first pinnacle, which was a 7, and your second one, which is 11. We can break that down to 2. And that comes, so 7 and 11, that's 18, that's a 9. And by the way, the third pinnacle is your strongest because think about it. You're taking your first pinnacle and your second pinnacle and you're adding them together. And the fourth pinnacle, you add the month and your year, and that gives you your fourth pinnacle number. Now, these are the pinnacles are the opportunities that you're going to be having in your life. Now we're going to jump ahead and talk about your challenge numbers. And how do you do your challenge numbers? Well, you do them the same way. You have my birthday here. The 12 for the month turns into a 3. The day is a 4. And the year is a 7. So the first challenge number, I take my month, my day, and it's minus. Okay, and you say, well, you can't take 4 from 3. Well, in this way you can. Okay, it's a number 1. My second challenge number is minus 4, and 7 is the year, and that comes to a 3. That's my second challenge number, is a number 3. My third challenge number, you subtract the first challenge number and the second challenge number. I have a 1 and a 3, and that equals a 2. So that's a 2 is my strongest challenge number in this number 3 challenge number. Now my fourth challenge number is you subtract the month 7 and the year 7 and the month 3, which equals a 4. That's my fourth challenge number. Now, how you do your age, wasn't going to talk about that, but I think I will. Your age, you start off with 36, okay? And you take your life path number and you minus that, and that comes to 31. And you always add one more with it. So 31, that's 32. So from 0 to 32 was my first pinnacle number, my first pinnacle age. And now we go to the next one, and you add number 9. So it would be 9 and 32 would be my next pinnacle age, and that would be 41. And you do this with 9 again, and it goes so forth and so on. And your challenge age, your pinnacle age and your challenge age is at the same time. So those aren't different. They're at the same time. Well, that's our segment for today, and I'll be talking to you again very soon about the next numerology lesson. Bye.